Okay, Toyota Vellfire 2017 version. Okay, installed for Convex 2D Darkview 360 bird view parking camera with DVR. So this is a reverse camera. Okay, left hand side camera. A front camera. And right hand side camera. It's got a parking sensor, sorry, remote sensor. It's got a remote control, remote sensor. Front view, right hand side view, left hand side view, rear camera view. Okay, back to normal. Okay, this connects with the Kogo 10.1 inch Android GPS OEM player for Vellfire Alphard 2015 onward. Okay, let me show you for reverse. 360 reverse. Okay, turn to P or N or D. Will auto switch to front view. Okay, and signal. Okay, and left hand side signal. So we'll show for the left hand side. So now turn for right hand side signal. So with right hand side view. Okay, you can disable for the signal. You go to press for the menu, setup, turn light function. So you can off it if you don't want. Then confirm. Back to normal. So when now turn signal left hand side, so no change. When you this function off is for video playing. Okay, so this is Convex 2D Darkview 360 bird view parking camera with DVR Driving Video Recorder. So it's got a USB slot, USB extension we'll put in a drawer. You can insert a USB pen drive here, then use for the DVR function. So 4 camera for parking view, also for driving video recorder, record view. So you have to insert a pen drive. Okay, so this is for the Toyota Vellfire and Alphard 2015 onward. Installed by OneBiz. Thank you.